Hey, it's Sammy Plays Roblox here, and we are going to be playing Survive the Red Dress Girl. And I'm just waiting for either the players to die, or just like time to run out. 'Cause, yeah, I want to play this game. Oh, hey, let's donate. Oh god, bacon hair. Please donate, okay. I need 10 more Robux. I don't even have 10 Robux. Yay! Okay, I get to play this. Yay. Game starting. Let's vote on a map. Abandoned school. This is one of the easiest maps. Roblox HQ is one of the hardest ones, though. It's hard to find people in it. Wow, dead town. Okay, that's fun with me. I don't care. Yay, I'm a victim. Okay. I'm actually really good at being the red dress girl, though. Yay. Crystal. I'm gonna help destroy this. Yay. It takes so long to destroy crystals. Oh my god. Almost there. Yay. Destroyed. Let's go. Come in. Yay. Okay. Oh no, they're close. Oh my god, I hate the sound effects. Like the sound. Yay. Ah! See, I hate the laugh. I hate it so bad. I'm gonna go up here because why not? Where's the red dress girl? They're right there. Okay. What? Oh my god, this song. Yay. Help me destroy this crystal. Yay. This game is so easy though. It's pretty easy to like destroy the crystals, and it's also easy to be the red dress girl. Oh no. The red dress girl is like very close. Oh no. Bruh. I need to help them. Is someone admin or something? Where's this music coming from? The red dress girl is failing. Like bad. Yay! I have 20 wins now. Yay. Hold on, abandoned school. I voted on abandoned school last time. Like, please, I want it. Sorry, but no. Yes, abandoned school. It's like a really small map and it's so easy. But it's actually kind of hard when you are the one who is like trying to, you know, destroy crystals. Bro, this is why I hate being the killer. The killer gets stuck in the ground and stuff. And I hate the sound effects. Bro, why are you so fast? Bro, how did they get past me? Like, I'm a noob. Oh no, one crystal is already destroyed. Come on, people. I need to kill you. I need to kill you. Let me kill you. This is why I hate being the killer. I hate it. Oh my god, get up! I'm going to freaking swear. Let me kill you. Oh my god, I want to quit the game so bad. I just want to stand here the whole freaking time. Being the killer is so freaking annoying. Shut the frick up. No, there's one more. Protect, where is it? Wow. Frick you all. That's why I hate that game. I hate being the red dress girl. I like being the people that are trying to survive, though. Oh, I actually like this game. I'm so bored, so that's why I'm making a YouTube video. That's why I'm gonna name this Me Being Bored. Ah! Oh, yay, play. Hi, Maci. Random stuff. This again. Oh, wow. Yeah. Ooh, gimme coins. Ah. Coins, yay. Ah, it's Baldy. I'm a Roblox only account. I meant YouTube. Ah. Somebody told Baldy to shut up. Yes. Wow. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Ah. Oh, I fell off the map. Okay, I'm so bored. Oh my god. I'm recording right now, by the way. Okay, who's being mean? Spoiled brat, can you shush? Oh, that's... Wait, is that my friend? Oh, that's my friend. Oops, not shush. Ah, how do I look? Ah. Ah. Okay, I gotta go. See you in the next video. Bye.